Hello friends, welcome my YouTube channel Boomer Kennel. Today video Black Labrador male puppy, full heavy quality, punch face and Kciregistered puppies. Puppies delivery all India available. Puppy quality so good and very healthy. Full active puppy and puppy's mother and father very good quality. So quality lover Black Labrador puppies available, very good price. Please contact for 8273741640. More information. Puppies is 45 days, first vaccine and 2 deworming puppies complete. Puppies very nice quality.
बुलाइए सब अपनी तरफ को।
Thank you friends watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel new video and check quality and purchase a good quality puppy my channel. Thank you.